Okay guys, so this is water number 1, and what you're going to need for this water is grapefruit, and you're also going to need some mint. So let's put those two together. I use mason jars. Feel free to use any container you like. So the benefits for this drink is it boosts your metabolism. It's a fat burner. So basically this drink is really good for you if you're trying to watch your weight or you're trying to lose weight. This drink is very beneficial for you. Alright guys, so this is water number 2. You're going to need some cinnamon, some cucumber, some mint, and some ginger. So the health benefits for this drink are it can help you lower your blood sugar levels. So if you are diabetic or you're pre-diabetic, this drink is very good for you. It also helps prevent cancer, and it helps your bones, and it can also keep your skin healthy. And also ladies, this drink is very good when you are on your menstrual cycle. It does help your menstrual cramps, and it also helps reducing effects of PCOS. Okay guys, so this is water number 3. You're going to need an orange, lemon, and some lime. This drink right here has a lot of health benefits. Of course, it has vitamin C. It can also help you detoxify your liver, reduces the heart disease, helps you fight infections, can help you prevent kidney stones, and it can also reduce inflammation. Okay guys, this is water number 4. You're going to need lemon, ginger, and some mint, and also some cucumber. Okay guys, so the health benefits for this water, it can help you with your high blood pressure. It can also help you reduce soreness, reduce muscle pain. It's an anti-inflammatory. This drink is good for you if you like to go work out, if you're battling arthritis. This is your go-to drink. Okay guys, so this is water number 5. You're gonna need some lime, some cucumber, and also some kiwi. Alright, so the health benefits for this drink, it can help you protect yourself against vision loss, reduces blood clotting. So again, ladies, it can help you with your menstrual cycle, helps treat asthma, and it can also boost your immune system. And that's something that's very important right now. And it can also help you with weight loss as well. A lot of these drinks help you with weight loss and inflammation, which is awesome. Alright, so you want to leave the detox water in the fridge for 1 or 12 hours to allow the flavors to infuse more deeply. So I personally leave the detox water in the fridge overnight, and I will drain in the morning. Homemade infused waters last for 1 week in the fridge. You may want to take out the citrus after a couple hours to prevent bitterness from the peel. I take out mine, but the choice is yours, all to your likings. Alright guys, so all you're going to need is a pitcher, and of course you're going to need a drainer. So as for the pitcher, it doesn't matter what size you decide to use. It just depends on how much detox water you are draining. Don't mind my drainer, it has been through a lot, okay? Don't judge my drainer. So first thing I do in the morning is I try to drain my water if I remember, but just because it has lemon or lime, that citrus can become very bitter if it's sitting too long. But just depends on your likings. If you don't mind that bitter taste, then by all means leave it as long as you like. I personally like to drain my water ASAP, but sometimes we get busy and we forget. So I just drain it and I just toss the fruit. Some people like to leave the fruit inside, or the vegetables, whatever you're using for your detox water. Some people like to just let it sit. So then I just pour some more water in the jar. Yeah, that thing doesn't have any health benefits. You don't want to leave that in there. Plastic thing that fell off of the water bottle. And if you haven't, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.